Greetings, friend. Watch refrigeration news for Wednesday, November 8, 2023 on our channel. CARLY launches the TURBOIL-P14 for transcritical CO2 installations. Embraco announces a new brand positioning. Tower announces the evolution of the pharmaceutical cold chain. Bannister Transport adopts Sunswap zero-emission technology. Petit Forestier supports long-term customer with green goals. ColdLogic has received a multimillion-dollar contract to install cold rooms for Hunter-class frigates. LG Electronics, University of Alaska established consortium for advanced heat pump research. Lineage Logistics strengthens its Canadian network with expansion of Foothills facility in Calgary. Dear friend, please like this video if it was useful for you. First news today. CARLY launches the TURBOIL-P14 for transcritical CO2 installations. CARLY, French manufacturer founded in 1923, which will soon celebrate its 100 years of existence. As early as in 1997, CARLY launched a breakthrough innovation in the field of oil circuit components, the TURBOIL oil separator, an original and highly efficient product. TURBOIL patented by CARLY, ensuring then at the time, the best oil, refrigerant separation rates through an original design, braking speed, change of direction, centrifugation, and coalescence phenomenon simultaneously. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Embraco announces a new brand positioning. Embraco, a global brand of refrigeration technology for the residential and commercial markets and part of Nidec Global Appliance, has changed. The brand has just announced a new positioning to the market, which can be checked here. Based on its 52-year-old experience, the new communication presents Embraco's strategy to transform the refrigeration market by detailing its plan of a future built on integration and synchronization of products, which combines efficiency and data intelligence, besides exploring the brand's full potential to be recognized as a complete solution provider. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Tower announces the evolution of the pharmaceutical cold chain. The latest innovation from Tower Cold Chain, a pioneer in passive temperature-controlled containers, offers pharmaceutical manufacturers, airlines and 3PL providers a single solution compatible with US and EU pallets, with an ultra-lightweight design. The Evolution 1600 Tower Universal Pallet, unveiled at CPHI Barcelona 2023, is perfectly adapted to universal shipping needs, meeting industry standards for a truly pan-global container. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Bannister Transport adopts Sunswap zero-emission technology. Sunswap is delighted to announce an exciting new partnership with Bannister Transport. Sunswap will supply the logistics innovator with the world's first 100% electric zero-tailpipe emission refrigerated trailer fleet of its scale. Over the next 2 years, the Worcestershire-based firm will transition the entirety of its 40-trailer fleet to Sunswap's Endurance Transport Refrigeration Units, TRUs, mounted on Chero trailers, a move which shows a firm commitment to sustainability, alongside confidence in Sunswap's technology. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. Petit Forestier supports long-term customer with green goals. Refrigerated specialists, Petit Forestier, further strengthened a 20-year working partnership with Greencore Group following the sizable fleet order which comprises a mix of LCV and HGV vehicles. Significantly, the investment kickstarts a new era for Greencore direct-to-store as it explores alternative fuel sources for its fleet of vehicles, purchasing its first electric 3. Read more the news on our website today. Sixth news today. ColdLogic has received a multimillion-dollar contract to install cold rooms for Hunter-class frigates. ColdLogic, an Australian business, has secured a lucrative contract to build and install cold and cool rooms for the first 3 Hunter-class frigates. Teaming up with UK company Ernest West and AMP, Bain & EWB, ColdLogic will utilize EWB's experience in supplying the Type 26 program, which serves as the reference design for the Hunter-class frigates being constructed in South Australia. Read more the news on our website today. Seventh news today. LG Electronics, University of Alaska established consortium for advanced heat pump research. Global home appliance and air solutions leader LG Electronics Incorporated, LG, and the University of Alaska Anchorage, UAA, have formed the Consortium for Advanced Heat Pump Research. The agreement will facilitate collaboration among LG innovators, university researchers, local industry and government agencies to help drive market transformation through research on heat pump technology and electrification. Read more the news on our website today. 8th News Today. Lineage Logistics strengthens its Canadian network with expansion of Foothills facility in Calgary. Lineage, one of the leading temperature-controlled industrial right and integrated solutions providers worldwide, today the expansion of its Foothills facility in Calgary, Canada to meet the growing needs of Lineage's customers in the market. The strategically located facility will serve as a center of excellence for customers who aim to export meat and other products to Asia and other markets around the world. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow Refrigeration News on social networks. Please find the links below.